Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.
Hi friends, now in this video we're going to learn that how to insert page headers and footers like page numbers, company logo or report name, right? And yes, to as now here there is no report name, there is no, if you want to take the print, you can see it look like actually, so here it is not able to, we cannot understand what is the report name actually, and we cannot understand what is the, in which page we are observing this data. So sometimes it becomes mandatory to add company logo and page number and the path and any such kind of any additional notes, right? So it is better to add a footer and logo in order to understand the data in an easy way. So simply go to insert menu. In insert menu you can see a text group, so click on the handler, then you can access the header and footer. So if you once click on the header and footer, you can access the boxes which known as the header and footer. So first here I would like to add a page number. So here you can see a new option that is added, that is called as design. So if you once click somewhere away, the option goes away, and if you once click on the if you once click inside the header, you can access the option comes back, the tab comes back. And yes, the design of tab help you to add the header and footer. So I'm just clicking on design. First you need to activate the design header here. Once again I repeat, just go to insert menu and click on the links and click on header and footer, then you can access these boxes. If you want to click somewhere, the design tab goes away, and if you want to click on the header inside, the design tab comes in, right? So here I'm going to add the page number. If you want to add only the page number, you can see it is just going to display 1, but I would like to see this is the page number 1 out of how many pages. So in that cases and before that, see here, if you want to see only page, it is going to print only page. So if you want to go somewhere, is here the number 6 is there, but is the number 6 is a page number or chapter number? So it becomes difficult to understand what 6 exactly is. So instead of adding only page, before the %, I'm going to add a text called as page and space. Then you can understand, okay, this is page 1, this is page 5. And here I also wanted to know, okay, this is page number 1 out of how many pages. So next to this, just give a space design of number of pages. So this is page 1 of number of pages, page number of number of pages. Can see here now page 1 of 8 pages. Again add after that space pages. So page 1 of 8 pages, then you can see here. And next here I would like to add some report page. So this is what we are observing here. We are observing this is what world's population. World's population, right? So now if you want to go to file and to print, here you can access the, okay, this is the page 1 of pages. And if you want to go to next page, in the next page also you can see this is what, this is page 2 of 8 pages, and the report page is that world's population. You also can do some modifications here. Select this and go to, you also can make them color, insert, you also can increase as per your desired location. Desired font face style also can be changed, right? Next one, we are going to add a logo, and before that we just try to add the current date or time. Yes, sometimes it becomes mandatory to add the date and time. Again go to design menu, there you can access the current date, enter, current time, enter. Then you can see here the current date and the time has been inserted here. So if you want to take the print, it prints including page number, title, report page, and also even the date and the time. And not only this, you also can add a company logo as well. So for that I have a logo, and this is a company logo. Now you cannot print this much of logo, right? So I'm going to reduce the size. So right click, edit, I'm just selecting this area, select company name or logo, copy, Control N, new, paste. I'm going to reduce the size. So I'm just making a smaller logo because we cannot edit it. It becomes difficult to print this much of logo. So I'm going to save on desktop. as sample logo 2, then save. So I just reduce the size, though then I can go to the same, and here I'm going to remove this page because there is a space which is very condensed. So see, I'll do one thing. I'll add these page numbers as a footer, right? So I'm going to erase this. So in the first box, I just go to design. I going to insert the picture, and that is the from file, from the desktop. In the desktop we have sample logo 2, insert. So now here we added a small logo, so now we need to adjust this. So here I'm going to drag it down. So yes, now you can see company logo, the header, the date and time, and down I'm going to add the footer. In the footer in the middle, I'll be adding, okay, I'll be adding here first what, page number of number of pages. Now you can see page 1 of 10 pages. So if you want to go to file and print, here you can see at top we have the company logo, report name, date and time. This is the whole report. And if you want to come to down in the middle box, we can see a page 1 of 10 pages. So this is how it looks like. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.